Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a turkey apple cheddar panini. And it's real easy to do. I hope you're enjoying the new time slot for the show, 4 p.m. Days are the same. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. With that all out of the way, let's make our panini. All right, on one side of the bread, we want to add some mayonnaise. You can use butter, but I think mayonnaise for this one does a better job. And now we're going to add 2 slices of cheddar. And then we're going to add some smoked turkey. Okay, now we're going to add our apple slices. This is a Honeycrisp apple, to be specific. And then we're just going to top this off. And then we're going to butter the top. And when we place this on the panini grill, I'll butter the other side. All right, we've got our panini grill. Gonna butter the top piece of bread quick as I can. And then we're gonna lower our the top griddle on top. Every so often applying slight pressure. And we're just gonna let this cook till everything is golden brown and done. All right, and through the magic of cooking show editing, the panini is done. And it's golden brown. Let me try to adjust it here. I hate this new camera. And let's get you a little bit of a cross section. And there you go. Turkey apple panini. Done.